In this video, I'll show you how to set up abandoned cart emails in Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click Settings in the bottom left corner and then select Checkout. Next, scroll down until you find the Abandoned Checkout section. This is where you can manage the emails Shopify sends to customers who leave items in their cart without completing their purchase. After that, enable abandoned cart emails if they are not already turned on. You can choose when Shopify should send the email, such as 1 hour, 6 hours, 10 hours, or 24 hours after a customer abandons their checkout. Now, review the email settings and customize the message if you want to match your brand's tone and style. Next, save your changes to activate the abandoned cart email automation. After that, you can test the feature by starting a checkout and leaving before completing the purchase. Shopify will automatically send the reminder email based on the timing you selected. Finally, monitor your abandoned checkout reports to see how many customers return and complete their purchases after receiving the email. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up abandoned cart emails in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.